This is an introduction to role-based access control for your iModels. I'm in a sample project here, and as you can see there's 3 users. I'm logged in as myself. I've got a civil engineer user and somebody called Team 3, which is great. And if we go and have a look at our iModels, I've set up a simple typical kind of application where we've got 2 sublots of work, and each of these contains 2 different work packets. So work packet 1 and 2 are part of sublot 1, and work package 3 and 4 are part of sublot 2. And we've built up roles. So if I go and go to the team manager members and manage them, we can have a look at the roles that we have within here. So if I go and manage the roles, down the bottom in my project roles, I have maybe a little bit of overkill here, but sublot 1, sublot 2, and ones for work packages also. And if I look at a typical one, and these have all got the same access control, I'm just giving the users access to read the iModel. I don't want them to be able to create them, delete them, change the access control. I don't want them to do any of that. So all they can do is view the iModel through the web interface. So if we go back to the iModels, all we've got in here, and this is how you access the roles-based access control, the set model access. You can call it RBAC if you like for short. You can see for sublot 1, I've basically said anyone who's a member of any of these groups can read sublot 1. Now, this might want tightening up somewhat, where perhaps you might not want work package 2 users to actually see this, and you might not want work package 1 people to see this, but perhaps you'd want them to only see these. It depends on your way of accessing this one. So, for instance, for work package 1, work package 2 users cannot. Then not only can they not view the model, they won't even see it in the list. Okay, so let's go and have a look at how that works in practice. So I shall log in as one of the users. I'll go with this Team 3 user and put in their credentials. Now this is somebody from an external organisation here called InfraHack. So they've got access to all their own settings, but they're an external a member of this external project. So if I now go and have a look at the project we have in here, you can see first they can't manage the team members. Well, of course, that's eminently sensible. And if we have a look at the iModel manager, you can see that this user only had access to sublot 1, work package 1 and work package 2. And again, if they only, if they didn't have access to work package 2, then you wouldn't see it in here. Might be important that they could see it here, perhaps, who knows. But that's the choice that the user gets. So I'll sign out in here and just show you this in, and remembering, of course, that the connect.bentley.com is a portal that's great for administering, making iModels, doing access control. But perhaps it's more of an interface. The interface that more users would get perhaps would be through the iTwin hub. So if I log in here, I'm logged in as another user here, so let's just log out of that and log back in. So again, if we select the project that they're a member of, again, they only see this. And of course, in here, there's no access to creating iModels. There's no access to the access control. But this is a quick and easy method of entering iModels for most users. So again, if I log out of this user and log back in as another user, let's go in as this user in here. Let's go and let's just type a password. I think I can remember it. And log in. Again, this user is now seeing sublot 2, work package 3 and work package 4. So that's how you can use roles-based access control, or RBAC, to control the access for external parties and internal parties, of course, to your iModels.